Hi guys, it's Jackie from Jackie Sunshine. We are on our walk. I'm just looking at this beauty. It's so beautiful. It's such a sunny day today that I am loving it. So we are on our walk. I'll catch up to you guys and let you know. Yeah, all the trees are, the leaves are changing their color.
Långt från svenska kusten skär ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii.
So we're walking down this path that leads to the Mill Creek Park, and it's a very scenic view, very quiet. I love to look at all these houses. They're so beautiful.
Men det lindrar ej hemlängtans glöd. Men det lindrar ej hemlängtans glöd. Ensam sjöman är långt från svenska kusten skär ska jag fira julen här på
Guys, this house is for sale. It's for sale. Anyone interested? Call the number. So we're gonna just take a walk around the back of this house that's for sale.
Ensam sjöman är långt från svenska kusten skär. Men det lindrar ej hemlängtans glöd.
It's beautiful. We can all live together. And it has a little thingy out here. Oh, this is where the lake and all this. How do you go down there? Oh, wow. Well, you could get a good deal on this.
Ensam sjöman
There must be like
från svenska kusten
5
skär.
bedrooms, 6
Ska jag
bedrooms.
fira julen här
Wow.
på Hawaii.
Well,
Ensam sjöman
it's a family house, I think.
är kusten skär.
Beautiful.
Ska jag fira
Look at the
julen
trees.
här på Hawaii.
Yep.
Men det
Guys, this was the house we saw. We are seeing as we walk along. Very big house.
Men det lindrar ej hemlängtans glöd.
How old do you think this house is, Kevin?
Ensam sjöman är långt från svenska kusten skär. Ska jag fira julen här på
And the trees
Hawaii.
are, my god, these trees must be like over 50 years old. 40. What's the address? The one thing about these places is the addresses are not visible. You can't see the address from the road, right? It's a pretty quiet location.
Ensam sjöman är långt från svenska kusten skär. Men det lindrar lindrar i himlen kan flöda.
I know there's no address over here. Is there any? Well, look at the next address beside it, then you'll know what address this is. Right? If you look at the house next door, probably you'll get to know this address. They must have someone like taking care of it or something. Well, that was out of observation.
Ska kusten skär, ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii. Ensam sjöman är långt från ska kusten skär, ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii. Men det lindrar i himlen kan flöda.
You're just trying to figure out the address.
Men det lindrar i himlen kan flöda.
Let's see.
Ensam sjöman är långt från ska kusten skär, ska jag fira julen här.
So we're looking for the address of this street. So it's Newport. It's the historic district. So we'll figure it out. And now we are going into the Mill Creek Park. As you can see the name out there, it says Mill Creek Park. Welcome to Mill Creek Park. I love this. That's my handsome husband right there, Kevin. Look at the foliage. It is so beautiful.
Ensam sjöman är långt från ska kusten skär, men det lindrar i himlen kan flöda.